I'm going to attach the ratchet strap. If you've never done ratchet straps before, I'm going to have the handle facing out. I'm also going to have the slot facing me so that I can take the strap. I want to try to make sure that I'm keeping it untwisted. I'm going to feed that through this slot. I'm going to take tension out. And now I'm only going to put a little bit amount of pressure on this, maybe 1, 2 turns, okay? We're going to go around and we're going to tighten everything at the end. But because I was talking about the cantilevering, I want to make sure that as we go and put the other legs in, that we don't run into a problem with one leg popping out. So the next step is going to be going around, retightening all the ratchet straps on both of our tents. You know, sometimes people will take a few extra minutes to maybe put a little wrap and tuck it in just so it looks neater. But once this is done, it's going to take a lot of the wrinkles in, you know, pockets out of the top of the tent. So this is usually always going to be the last step. It's just making everything, sure everything's tightened up and neat.